All right, mamey sapote. You saw that fruit haul I had the other day. 52 pounds of mamey. I've been giving it away to some friends, and I know I'm going to dehydrate and freeze some. Freeze it for ice cream. Dehydrating, it's like you can give it to kids and they'll love it 10 times more than candy. So mamey, a lot of times people will try a fruit like mamey and they'll try it when it's unripe. And that's a huge problem, because then they say, yeah, I tried it, I didn't like it. You have to wait until the fruit is super soft. Okay, you can see how soft that is. Okay, it's super soft. All right, so now there's many ways, like I say, you can blend it with bananas and some cacao or carob. You got the best chocolate milkshake you could ever have. But what I do many times is I just split it down the middle, like that. And I mean, just look at that. That is an awesome fruit. And that will taste like the best sweet potato you've ever had. But the water has not been removed. The water is still in there. Look at that. That seed is such a thing of beauty. But this stuff is so good, you can just eat it like that. So delicious. It's got a lot of benefits. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. But remember, fruits are loaded with vitamins. This one here is not super large, but a large mamey, because they're very sweet, pack a lot of calories. A large one can be like 650 calories. This is not super large. I'd say this is maybe 500 calories, somewhere around there. Could be 6, but I'm going to devour this thing. You better believe I'm going to fruit up with that one. But there's so many benefits to mamey. It's good for weight management. It's good for your heart. It lowers those bad LDLs. It's good for your nervous system, good for your bones and teeth. Makes your blood vessels more flexible. Increases hemoglobin, the red blood cells that carry the oxygen. It's good for reproductive health. Good for energy. It reduces oxidative stress. It's good for your vision. It alleviates symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. So many benefits to it, but all fruits have tremendous benefits. You can find a list like this for all fruits. So I cannot encourage you enough. And don't let anybody tell you, oh, it's too much sugar. This is not processed chocolate mousse sugar, okay? This is in the form that the Creator made it and gave it to us for food. So it's the perfect food. It's a slow uptake, a gradual uptake of sugar, and it fuels your body like no other food. So mamey sapote, remember, let it get super soft, because you're going to start to see these more and more in regular supermarkets. So you got to let it get super soft and then enjoy it. I'm going to fruit up now. You guys have a great one. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. All the best. Fruit up, baby.